Alright, this is Eve. Eve and I are going to make waffles this morning, and Eve wanted to show you how it's done.
Hello, my name is Eve, and I will show you how to make some waffles, and I'm doing it this morning. We have a bowl, and we have some milk, and we have some eggs, and we have some baking powder, and we have some sugar, and we have some oil, and some flour. Now we'll mix the wet ingredients in this bowl. Now we'll break 4 eggs in the bowl. Now let's add some oil.
How much oil?
It's half a cup. Now let's add a cup of milk. Now let's add the sugar! Beep. Now let's add a spoon of baking powder because I love baking. Go in now. Now we beat it up with a whisk. I'm so rough. I'm too rough. Now let's put the first flour in. Ta-da! It's like a raindrop in the sky. Oh my gosh. Hard. Now we'll beat the thing up again with the whisk. Yeah! Beat. I just love, okay, now let's turn it a little white. Oh, this is a waffle iron. You probably should get grown-ups to help you because it's very hot, because this part is dangerous for kids.
Alright, we're going to put some spray-on oil in the waffle iron so the waffles don't stick. Next, we'll put the batter into the waffle iron and make sure not to overfill it. Because if we put too much in there, then the batter will spill out because it rises a little bit because of the baking powder. So you just want to paint it on there, spread it out evenly. Not too much, but not too little. So we want to cover most of the waffle iron with the batter. Not too thick. Okay, so that's pretty good. We're not going to add any more. Just spread it out a little bit. Now we'll close this and set the timer for 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Now we'll take it up. Whoa. To see? It's all ready to eat. Delicious waffles. Now I'm tired of waiting for the waffles. They're like too much. I just want to sit on a chair and rest. So now we're going to take the waffle out. Delicious. It's very yummy. Now we baked some delicious waffles. Ta-da!
I think I overfilled this one just a little bit. What do you think, Eve?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You be careful next time. This recipe makes 4.5 quarter waffles. Well, let's double it up. We need more. We are starving, right? Now I'll just take a little tiny waffle place from that quarter waffle. It's very good. I'm secret.
What do we have going on over here, Eve?
Bacon! These waffles are pretty good with some bacon. I'm pretty sure we need waffles and bacon. Because I love it. That's my favorite thing ever. Waffles and bacon. So now we're going to decorate our waffles. So you can use whatever you want to decorate it, but we are going to use strawberries and bananas. Yummy. So I put in some butter. So now let me spread maybe this happy enough. So now we'll put the chocolate on my delicious happy face. I'm like spreading this everywhere. This is very yummy. Let me try it.